So what's one of the most popular food cravings? The craving for a good sandwich, definitely. And the tuna sandwich is one of the easiest and quickest to make at home. So let's see how to make a good tuna sandwich. So we need 2 cans of tuna. We're using tuna in water, and first thing you need to drain out all that water, and this is the easiest way. Just flick open the can and press the lid against the tuna to drain out all that water. It's the easiest and least messy way to drain out all that water. Add 2 cans of tuna in water to a bowl. I usually prefer tuna flakes in water, but today I got chunks, so we're going to flake it up like this. Using a fork, it's quite easy. Break up all those chunks so you can get a nice spreadable tuna mixture. Next, we're adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of good quality mayonnaise, and we're using generous tablespoons here. You can use as much or as little mayonnaise as you like. Stir in the mayonnaise till it's well incorporated and makes a nice creamy tuna mixture. We're also using half a teaspoon of mild mustard, and I'm using mild American mustard here. Stir it through again. One important tip to make a good sandwich filling is to taste as you go, so you know how much of each flavor you like and can adjust it to your liking. We're also going to add 1 shallot that has been peeled and minced. Add that in as well. Now here I have some dill. Adding freshly chopped dill to your tuna sandwich gives it a nice fresh fragrance, and it's really delicious. So at this point you can decide whether you need a little bit more mayonnaise or not, just enough to make the filling spreadable. And now to season, we're adding a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, just a pinch or 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of paprika. Now some of you may be thinking the tuna is already salty, why do you need to add salt? But adding that dash of salt to the filling really does make a difference to the final sandwich. So my tuna filling is ready, and now the important part is to chill this tuna filling in the refrigerator till it's absolutely cold, at least for half an hour. You really do need a cold filling to make a good tuna sandwich. And when you're ready to make that sandwich, you'll need a good amount of fresh lettuce, fresh iceberg lettuce, nice and crunchy, rinsed and shredded, and make sure to get rid of all that water. You can use a salad spinner if you have it, and you can use your favorite sandwich bread. I'm using classic soft white bread today. Apply a very thin layer of mayonnaise over each slice. This helps to seal the surface of the bread so that the filling doesn't make the bread soggy later. And now we're ready to add our filling. Add a good amount of filling for each sandwich. Add plenty of lettuce. All set to cut and enjoy your tuna sandwich. And for those of you who don't like those finger press marks on the top of your bread when you cut the sandwich, an easy tip is to use a thin cutting board like this to hold down your bread while you cut it. So there's a quick and easy sandwich for you. The ever popular, easy to make tuna sandwich. And please let us know in the comment section down below what you'd like to add to your tuna sandwich. The possibilities are endless.